Doing? Thanks for watching my video. Want to do a little video about my trip to Bangkok. Watched quite a few videos online about Bangkok, and I initially went to Bangkok from Philippines. It was pretty nice change from what I've experienced. Philippines was very warm. I wouldn't say Bangkok was much cooler, but during the time I was there, it was quite a bit cooler. The internet was quite a bit better, and overall city and environment was quite a bit cleaner and, quite a bit easier to get around. So, yeah, I spent a few weeks in Bangkok, and, I kind of hoped I would spend more time there. I got very excited about it. I did like it quite a bit better, I would say in general. As you can see here, the city is very nice. There's lots of temples. I walked by quite a few temples, but I actually am not a big temple type of guy, so I didn't go in many. As you can see, there's lots of tourists, whatnot, doing the temple thing, and it just didn't seem that appealing. That being said, I did see most of the nice scenery and stuff. I did walk around. Leather goods and malls are the thing here too. It's interesting how the mall situation, even in the United States and Asia and all these places, people come and go shopping. I did shopping. I didn't buy a whole lot. A few little street trinkets or whatnot. But I did stay at a cat motel, which was wonderful. As you'll see through here, also I got to visit, again, some of the malls, which are very impressive. This is kind of like Whole Foods in Thailand. It was quite nice. Also, the food courts and stuff like that, and foot massages, all very nice. The time I was there was felt kind of short, which was disappointing. I would like to see more of the city and different places. I was strapped down with work, so it didn't allow me to do a whole lot other than go out and see what was immediately near me. The other thing that I found is quite a bit safer, and quite a bit, a little, I don't know if I would say, more community-based type thing, but there's a lot of people hanging out different places that I went, and got to eat lots of cheap and inexpensive, very good food. I did enjoy that. I was nervous at the beginning, um, getting there, not sure what to expect. A friend of mine we were talking about initially when, I was going over to Asia. He said, "Yeah, you should go Philippines, the language barrier, stuff like that. Would be easier. Everybody in the Philippines, which indeed everybody in the Philippines did speak English, although I don't think it was that big a huge advantage. But I would say enough people spoke English in Thailand that really helped. The other thing is it's quite a bit safer. The walkways. There was people standing by to help you in some of the the sky train or whatnot. That was all very nice too. Um, but like I said, I didn't have a whole lot of time. The food was quite wonderful. That being said, my time was very limited getting around town and really getting out. There's also parks and stuff like that. Very green, very nice. Similar to the Philippines in that regard. Very green, very nice, which I found very nice. The public transportation is pretty packed and uh, actually almost to the point of being uncomfortable. But that being said, I would definitely recommend, you know, maybe looking at Thailand. It's a good reason why there's lots of videos about online and whatnot. That in regards to, it's a very good place. So, I did find that as a result of going over there. I hope that helped. Thank you for watching my video. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe. Helps me out. Thank you much.